for our topic, which is about the distance formula. So here is the formula. So d, or the distance, is equals to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 plus the square of y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So example number 1, determine the length of AB if A is negative 3 and 6 and B is 3 and 3. So ililabel muna natin yung given. So this is x sub 1, this is y sub 1, this is x sub 2 and y sub 2. Kasi ito yung unang point, ito yung pangalawang point. And then we have to copy the formula. So AB na yung ilalagay natin. Okay, so we have here the formula of the distance. Okay, then substitute lang. Okay. So, ang x sub 2 natin ay 3. Sunod minus, ang x sub 1 ay negative 3. Ayan. And then, y sub 2 is positive 3 minus y sub 1 is positive 6. Pag nagsasubtract tayo, we have to change the sign of the operation and the subtrahend. So, this one magiging plus, ito magiging positive. Yung pangalawa lang lagi ang mababago. Okay? Plus, so this is 3, tapos yung operation magiging plus. So, positive yan, magiging negative. Okay? And then, so ito, same sign, add 3 plus 3 is, we have 6 sa square. Plus, ito, 3 plus negative 6. Di ba pag nag-add tayo ng magkaibang sign, subtract natin. So, 6 minus 3 is 3. Pero ano yung sign niya? Sundin natin yung mas mataas na sign. Mas mataas na number. So, ang sign ng mas mataas na number ay negative. So, negative yan. Negative 3. Tapos, i-square na natin. Okay? So, 6 square is, we have 36. Plus, 3 square is 3 times 3, which is 9. So, 36 plus 9 is 45. So, we have to get the square root of 45. So, ang 45 ay hindi siya perfect square. Kasi ano nga ba yung mga perfect square? Diba? 1, 4, 9.